Today I have a Dior haul for you, and this is from the holiday collection, and I picked up a few pieces, but stay tuned for the giveaway that I'll be hosting in this video, and instructions will be at the end. It came in 2 boxes, which was pretty interesting. I did open it up just to check that everything's inside. I wasn't expecting 2 boxes because I didn't order that much, and usually it comes in a huge box, but this time it was very special. And if we open it up, you can see that the Dior logo is right inside, but you can see that it comes in a special Christmas packaging. So if we take this out, got the receipt in here. So in the first box, we have the gorgeous packaging, and it comes in this beautiful hand-drawn design, and it was one of the beautiful artists that drew this, and it's got the constellations, it's got a more kind of star sign horoscope type of pattern, and it just maps it all out really prettily on this Dior packaging. So if we undo the ribbon, take the box out, got the tissue paper, and then here we have the little notes. This will be going to the giveaway winner, and we have everything presented inside very beautifully. We have this first one, which is the Dior Addict Glow set, and again it has the same packaging over here with the constellations. And this one is the Runaway Natural Glow set, and it comes with the infamous beautiful pouch, and I just love that the colors of blue and gold is just stunning. So it opens up at the top. I'm going to be extra delicate because this is actually going to be the giveaway prize. And if you open it up, this is the gorgeous pouch that it comes with, and it's more of this velvet texture, and then on the zipper ends you have this gold detailing, and then on here you have the Dior logos on here, and the logo itself that's printed onto the velvet is the 30 Montaigne logo. And if we open it up, inside we have the tissue wrapped goodies in here, and inside is a very wipeable material, so it's really easy to clean. You just have to wipe it with a wet wipe and you're good to go. And it's a really nice size, and it's been comparable to the LV little pochette, and I just think that this is really pretty. Inside we have the tissue wrapping paper, and we have the 2, I think it's their bestseller lip colors, and the first one is the Dior Lip Glow, and this one is in 001 pink. I love this lip color because it's just so flattering on so many different skin tones, and also the updated packaging. It has the Dior logo on the corner. It just looks really nice, and especially this really nice pink color just suits everybody. And then this one is the Dior Lip Maximizer, which is the hyaluronic acid lip plumper, and this one is a very similar shade to the Lip Glow, and it's also in the 001. I really like this lip maximizer, and I'm wearing one of them today. I'm wearing a more raspberry color. I'll write up the details here so that you can know which colors I'm wearing. And this one is just a really nice everyday girly pink color. So this I am not going to open and show you the swatches inside because this is going to be the giveaway prize, and I'm super excited to share this with you because this is such a gorgeous pouch. And it's very festive, and you can just use it in so many different ways and on the go. I see so many beautiful Instagram pictures where they take this around, and they've already taken so many beautiful pictures with this. I know last year they had the same material, especially with the velvet and also the gold detailing, but in a more square shaped one. They had the blue one as a free gift, but I also got the white version from last year because I got the skincare set. Now the skincare set, they also have the same pouch in the white color, and I just think that this shape is amazing. And also Dior has the same makeup case in the same size, maybe a little bit more of a luxury touch to it, but that one costs around £500, whereas this only costs £60 with the lipsticks. So this is a really good bargain to have. So then we have some free gifts in here, and the first one is an interesting one because it's a little Christmas cracker, and this one is also in that blue and gold packaging, but it's just such a pretty little kind of like a nice decorative piece. Maybe you could hang this onto a Christmas tree like on the side so that you can have some really cute goodies in there. Let's just open this one up, and then inside I have a miniature Eau de Parfum, which is the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum in 5 milliliters. This one is a screw-on cap, and I just love how this smells. I do have the bigger version, and I collect these miniatures, like so many of them, because I just think they're really cute, and putting them into your little makeup bag is really handy for on the go. And this was a gift with purchase of around £150, so this is one of them. I do have another item that came with this as well. And then we have one extra little goodie bag. This one is the usual gift with purchase online, where if you spend over £100, you get a deluxe size, and then you also get the tiny miniature sizes. So this one is the Miss Dior Rose and Roses, the sample size, and it comes in the paper packaging and then the little tiny sprays. Then I have a more deluxe size sample, which is if you spend more than £100, then you'd get this. And then this one is also the Rose and Roses, which is one of my favorite. To be honest, I love all the Miss Dior. I don't have the Blooming Bouquet, but I got the Rose and Roses, the Miss Dior this year, which was the fabric ribbon, and also the one from the previous formulation, which I think was a little bit more richer. Then onto the second box. Let's open it up, and then again with the same ribbon, we have the sticker and tissue paper again. And inside here, this is what it looks like when I first get it. Let's just start with the sample first. So again, I get another little baggie, and it's the same fabric material, but this time I get 2 different little samples. This is part of the gift with purchase when you spend anything online. So I chose to get the Capture Total Cell Energy, and this one is the Super Potent Serum. Then I have this one, which is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer, and it's that same one that you get into the giveaway prize with the Dior Addict Lip Set. And this is just a tiny miniature version. It just fits into your little bag super easily. Then I have this, and it's wrapped in the tissue paper. And again, I have another one of these pouches. I will be getting one of these, and you'll be getting a pouch as well, but yours will come with the lipstick set. I'll keep the free gift because I have to have one as well, and we can be twinning. So again, it's the velvet texture, and inside it's just stuffed with tissue paper. This was all a gift with purchase with the Christmas cracker and the lip maximizer. I'm glad that I'm keeping one and that I got one as a part of a gift with purchase, because I already have a lot of lip glows and lip maximizers, but I do want to share those with you. Then we have the Dior Ecrin Couture, and this one is the iconic makeup colors for the face, eyes and lips. And again, it comes in the beautiful packaging. I think this makes a really beautiful gift. Like any of the packaging of this Christmas collection just makes gorgeous gifts. And I really like this one. I did used to have one of these face, eyes, lips palette before, and I do have it with me. This is the one that I had from, I think it was the 2019 edition, and it has the fireworks display, which was to celebrate, and it comes with the mirror and magnetic opening. So this one is a really pretty one. But then this year, I just saw the colors and I just had to get it. And also the design of this year was just too pretty, and I love constellations, so I could not avoid. This time it comes in a gorgeous, more fabric lined packaging, and it was different to the previous one that I had because that one was more of a velvet lining, which you see in most of the packaging for Dior in their little palettes. At the front we have the CD logo on there, and we also have a little mini brush. It's a very tiny one. I don't enjoy using this, but it's very handy to have every now and then, and it folds sideways so you can have a more narrow application, or you can have it open with a more wider application, so that's pretty cute. And then inside we have the beautiful palette, and it just looks like this. It's got this more velvet texture to it, and I just love that this black velvet just really complements that gold detailing over here. This gold bar just looks so luxurious. I know they had it last year, but I never got that one. But this year, I really enjoy this one. This one actually looks more bigger and more substantial than my previous one. If you look at the comparison, it's a lot deeper. From front facing onwards, it also is a little bit taller, and there's just something more weighty and very luxurious about it. Anything to do with constellations for me, I am usually just sold. And the last time time that Dior did a constellation design was actually the 2018 edition, and this is the lipstick set that came in that year. And I just had to pick this up pre-loved because at the time when it first came out, it was sold out everywhere and I just couldn't get hold of it. But this is just stunning, like look at that. Now this one, it also has that constellation design, but it's a little bit more subtle in this one. I actually wish that they had the lipstick set this year in this pattern, and this time it was just plain black. They still have the Minaudière that they had last year, which I have in the gold version. And this one is beautiful because it has the very nice detailing of the 30 Montaigne store, and inside you have the little mirror and the chain. You can wear it in so many different ways. You can wear it with the little clutch on its own, or you can wear it with just the lipstick case alone. It's just such a nice accessory to have, and also at the same time it's very functional because it carries your little lipstick in there. It was actually more expensive this year at £195, whereas this one I got it for 158, I believe. For that amount of money, I just didn't really seem like it was worth it. I don't think it was that high impactful for me to purchase it. So at the front we have the CD logo, and when you open it, it comes in this like little turn lock mechanism, so it's very cute. I actually reckon this is a good size to turn into a clutch. When I did see people use this as a clutch, I just couldn't see this as a functional bag because it's so small and narrow. I can only fit a few pencils in here, so I ended up using this as a pencil case rather than a handbag. But this one, it opens up, it's got this magnetic opening, and inside we just have the beautiful mirror and also the palette inside, which is very beautiful. So we have the highlighter, and so it's a little bit more cool toned, but it just adds that nice added pop, and it's just very pretty. Then we have the eyeshadows, and in my opinion, these eyeshadows are much more wearable than the usual quints that you get from the Christmas collection this year. This one comes in a more pinky and neutral browns and taupes and a little bit of gold in there. And then you got the liner in deeper shade, which is more of a nice purple. It's very royal looking. Then we have the blushes, which these are more warm toned. We got a nice peachy pink here, and it's got these like nice shimmery flexes in there. But also we have the red color, which is a little bit more bold, and I actually really like that because we have a lot of red lipstick colors in here, and if you want that nice flush of Christmas glow, this one is very pretty. But the pinks for everyday daytime look across the whole year, so it's not very Christmas specific. This is a very good palette to have. These lipstick colors, we have a more deeper red. This red color is more of that pinkier side of reds, and then this one is more of that My Lips But Better look, where it deepens the colors but it's very natural looking. And the very last one is a more nude color, so it's more pinky shade but it's very neutral. This is the Face Eyes Lips palette, and it's just very stunning. So if you want to enter this giveaway for the Dior Addicts Glow set, you're winning this beautiful bag with the lipsticks in there. All you have to do is like this video and also comment down below anything. And finally, in the description box below, there will be a link to a Google form so that you can enter. You need to put in your name, your Instagram, your YouTube and your email. And I'll also link that form in the pinned comments below so that it's easy to find. I will close the giveaway on Friday the 25th of November, and I will announce the winners on the next day on the 26th of November in a video. If there's any spamming that happens in the comments down below, please don't respond to them. I will make a formal announcement and I'll put it all in video right here in front of you so that it just avoids all scammers. And the reason why I want you to have a look at the Instagram and the YouTube handle and email so that you have all three confirmations from me, just in case there's any spammers out there. If it seems like I'm requesting any money from you or paying for a shipment fee, that is not me. I will make sure that I will announce everything on the video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see more beauty content from Dior, then click over here and I will see you there. Bye!